Welcome guys to today's challenge. I want to solve a very nice math challenge which read 5x is equals to 40 open bracket to the root of x close bracket to the power of what, -1 or -1. Recall this bracket represents a multiplication sign. So let's see how we can solve this. It's a simple indices challenge to refreshing our mind. So please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe, and by the time you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos on mathematics. And at the end of this class, we are going to substitute the value for x to see whether the answer we have on this left hand side will tally with what we have on the right hand side. So let's dive into today's problem. So we can say solution. Now simply write down the question, which is 5x, which is equals to 40 times root of x close bracket to -1 and -1. Okay, having this, recall from a simple indices rule, which if we are having a to the power of or root a, is equals to a to the power of 1 over 2. So if you're having root a is also equals to a to the power of 1 over 2, which implies we can write this to be 5x is equals to 40 open bracket x to the power of 1 over 2 close bracket or to a -1. Okay, this is what we're not having. Also recall, if we are having a to the power of m or to the power of n, it also implies a to the power of m n. So if we should put this rule here, we can have which implies again 5x is equals to 40 open bracket x. So this times this is going to give us -1 over 2 close the bracket. Recall I said this bracket is representing the multiplication sign, so we can have this to be 5x is equals to 40x to the power of -1 over 2. Okay, it's an easy challenge. So we want to do something, so we can say divide both sides by x to the -1 over 2. So if we should do that, we're having this. Okay, since we're having this, so this and this will go, so we're left with 5x over x to -1 over 2 is equals to what? 40. Okay, right? So if we bring this to the numerator, we have this to be 5x times x to 1 over 2 is equals to 40. I recall from an indices rule, which is a to the power of m times a to the power of b is also equals to a to the power of m plus b. So if we should put this through here, we have 5x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 is equals to 40. Okay, in order for us to make s to stand on its own, we divide both sides by 5. So this go, we're now left, which implies we're having x to the power of, so look for the LCM. 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 1 plus 1 over 2 is also equals to 3 over 2. So write this to be 3 over 2 is equals to 5 here. 5 here is going to give us 8. So we're having x to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 8. Okay, we are now having x to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to 8. So we also represent x squared to the power of 3 is also equals to 8. So in order for us to remove the square root, we can simply square both sides. So we're having x to the power of 3 is equals to what? 64. Because 8 squared is equals to 8 times 8, which is 64. So equals to 64. So we can rewrite 64 to be 4 to the power of 3. So we're having x to the power of 3 is equals to 4 to the power of 3. Okay, in other words, by comparison, our x, which implies x is equals to 4. So this is the value of x. So let's plug in the value of x into our question to see whether the value of x is correct. So if we substitute the value of x into our question, which reads 5x is equals to 40 open bracket root of x or to -1. Recall your s is equals to 4, so we'll put 5 open bracket 4 is equals to 40 open bracket root of 4 or to -1. We're having this to be 20 is equals to 40, and the root of 4 is going to give us 2 or to -1. Recall, 2 to -1 is also equals to 1 over 2. So if we should put a principle here, we have 20 is equals to 40 over 2, which is 2 here is going to give us 1. 2 here is going to give us what? 20. So we are having 20 is equals to 20. 20 is equals to 20. So the value of s is correct. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to hit up the thumbs up button. Bye for now, and see you in my subsequent video. Bye. God bless you, and Jesus loves you. Thank you.